Well, hello there, I'm ready from your dinner, and welcome to a new episode. Today we are going all the way to Japan for inspiration for this new recipe. Today we are making noodles in a rich miso paste with some mushrooms added to it. So, let's start. First things first, we have to cut the mushrooms into slices. I don't know about you, but cutting mushrooms is the best feeling ever. Set the mushrooms aside and also cut 2 cloves of garlic into small pieces. Set these aside as well. Grab a pan and add some olive oil. We're going to fry the mushrooms in it for around 8 minutes or until they start to get a nice brown color. When they reach that state, remove them from the pan and wipe the pan down with some paper to remove the excess oil. My dog is guarding the front yard and ready to say hi to anyone who walks by. Put some butter in the pan and let it melt. Fry the garlic cloves we cut earlier until they are fragrant. We're going to boil our noodles into a different pan, so add a good pinch of salt to it. Now that the garlic is fragrant, add 2 tablespoons of white miso. Stir this around to dissolve it into the butter. Put in some dried chili flakes for the heat and put in the grated Parmesan cheese. Now is the time to boil our noodles. Add a couple of spoons of the cooking water to our miso paste. The cooking water will bind our sauce. Stir it around and lastly add the mushrooms we fried earlier. Drain the noodles and reserve some cooking water to thin out the sauce if needed. Add the sauce to the noodles and stir to combine. I like to put it into a nice bowl and add some extra mushrooms on top and a pinch of chili flakes. And that's it. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video. And of course, I see you in the next one.